Using the app, we can change the temperature and we can also enable the power cool function and also the power freeze function. We can do a lot more like this. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we will see how to connect our Samsung side-by-side fridge to the Samsung SmartThings mobile app. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We are using the Samsung side-by-side fridge now, but these steps could be applicable for other Samsung fridge models too. We can connect and use the SmartThings app to control our fridge to increase or decrease the temperature and also get notifications when the door is open and much more. To do this, we need three things: active Wi-Fi connection, Samsung account and Samsung's SmartThings app. This app is available on both Android and iOS device like iPhone. So we have to download and install the SmartThings app on our mobile. Then we have to open it and we have to log in using our Samsung account. Then we will get an interface like this. Then we have to make sure that we have enabled Wi-Fi option on our fridge. To do that, we have to open the fridge door and we will have this digital control panel here. We can see all the details about our fridge. Right now the Wi-Fi is turned off. To turn on, we have to long press this next arrow icon for 10 seconds. We have to press and hold this. And now on the display, it will show ON. That means the Wi-Fi is activated. So now the Wi-Fi got activated. Suppose if we want to turn off the Wi-Fi, we have to again long press this next arrow for 10 seconds. It will show FF. That means the Wi-Fi is disabled. Right now the Wi-Fi got activated. So now we can open the SmartThings app and we can select the plus symbol at the top and we can go to add device. So we can manually add the device by selecting the add option. We can select the category here as well. We can go to fridge option here and it will scan the nearby devices. After we turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, we will get the nearby fridge option. We can select this and we can follow the steps. If not, we can try the QR code method. We have to open the fridge door and on this side we can see a small QR code here. So we have to open the SmartThings app and go to this plus option at the top. Go to add device and at the bottom we will have this scan QR code option. Select that. We are getting this sound because the door is open, so it will be gone in a while. Okay, now connecting to device. So we have to connect this to our Samsung account. After entering the account, we can select continue. It will check for the available Wi-Fi networks. We have to select our Wi-Fi network here. So we can select the one we have. Please read all this. And we have to enter the password here. It is registering the device. So that's all. We have successfully completed the registration. Now we can see the Wi-Fi symbol on the display control panel here. So now here we can do all the general tasks. Like we can mention where the fridge is. We can enter a name for this and we can select done. It will download some plugins. Okay, that's all. Now this is the interface we will get. We can open it again. And here we can see our fridge. We just have to select that. That's all. So these are the control options we have. We can see the fridge and freezer temperature. And here we can change the fridge temperature. Can do all that. There are some functions that we have to directly do on the fridge control panel. We cannot do that on the app. So power cool is to instantly cool the fridge. We can enable this if we want. Similarly, we can instantly cool the freezer as well. And we can go to service and here we can see how many times that we have opened the door, and we can also have this food list, shopping list and energy savings options. We can also remove the device if we don't want this. That's all. These are the steps to connect Samsung side-by-side fridge to the SmartThings app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.